Hello fellow weebs, welcome back. We are back on Teardown. And also Happy New Year. It's the first video of 2024. And in this episode we're going to see if Godzilla can survive flower attacks. Let's summon the big guy. Where is he? I always keep forgetting where he is. You know. There he is. I think he will survive. Flowers. That's what flowers do. Oh, wait more? Flowers are ready. You died? Wait, what? What the hell? Okay, hold on, let's summon him again. One more time. This time, aim for the head. Oh shit! Oh! You wanna go, Godzilla? Killing him, or it is weakening him, not making him able to make him move. Oh shit! Wait, what? Wait, what? Guys, what the hell? Okay guys, I think that's it. I think I don't know if Godzilla won or lost. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.